going, dog?
You
Yeah, man.
good?
Need a next free from you, man.
All day, dog.
Alright.
On spot like that?
Whatever, dog.
Yo, they got a nigga looking in the past, moving fast on the hourglass. 2 gloves, 1 Glock, 1 ski mask. I hit the block, but I don't leave fast. I'm on a mission. I came to that fams and recruit mans that want to make grands. Tired of waking up mornings without plans. Time's moving fast, we're gonna take care of grams. If I don't get mine, you're gonna hear ambulance. My mother's name's Teresa, but I be the son of Ether. I'm always sitting on eggs like every day is Easter, so when will I retire? Probably when the CN Tower get higher. I pray to God cause the city's on fire. My girl hate me cause I ain't a liar. I'm living in pollution, another day, another sin. I feel like the devil look up at me with a grin. I need liquor and weed, no need for oxygen. I'm bad to the bone cause my mind gone. I'm out to space but my mind gone. Looking for all my friends that's life gone. Everything I did right seems wrong. I don't even want my kid to hear this song because I will befriend a friend because they always want what's yours in the end. I got 2 feet, 2 hands, and 1 mind. Niggas know too much, they want a gold mine. It's alright, I got lime mines for your ass. King Cobra, I can see you in the grass. And your ass is grass. Back to the future cause that was the past. Switch up the topic cause I never spit trash. I'm too damn vicious. My homies girl call me pimpalicious. Everything I say is true. My favorite color's blue. And that's my lifestyle too. I think I need a relapse. Cause up on ecstasy pills will have me key labs. Nigga.
I want to give a shout out to King Black Productions.
Yo, shout out to King Black Productions.
Shout out to King Black Productions.